Hello, I'm Jason Hall, Vice President of Research and Culinary Development, and today we're going to be talking about the GSX-10HE from Crown. The GSX-10HE has 7, 10, or 16 pan capacity to fit your large or small volume needs. This also includes individual gas steam generators. This unit is equipped standard with 316 stainless steel for protection against corrosion. That's going to be important if you're doing any highly acidic foods, tomato, salt, or lemon-based cooking. It's 190,000 BTUs, which is the highest within the industry. Water filter and treatment system come standard with this unit as well. This is a high volume cooking unit with rapid recovery for banqueting, clubs, hotels, and schools. You're going to be successful with this unit and it's not going to let you down. For more information, contact your local sales rep or regional sales manager.